Welcome dear viewers to this new video in which we present to you an important topic in the world of real estate. Before starting, please subscribe to the channel and watch the entire video. Thank you.
How to buy a property. Preparing to buy a property requires making wise decisions and good organization. Here are some important tips to answer how to buy a property. Market study. How to buy a property where you should carefully study the real estate market. Review real estate trends and reports to understand property values in the area. Reputation check. Research the reputation of the developer or seller. Read reviews from previous customers and check the track record. Determine needs. Define your needs and priorities. Are you looking for a family home or an investment opportunity? Infrastructure check. Examine the infrastructure in the area, such as schools, hospitals, and transportation. Comprehensive budget. How to buy a property. Determine your total budget and do not limit yourself to the cost of the property only, but also take into account purchase fees and taxes. Expert consultation. Seek advice from real estate experts, lawyers, and financial advisors to ensure that you benefit from multiple perspectives. Check financing. Determine how you will finance the deal. Research available financing options and calculate additional costs. Property inspection. Do not hesitate to conduct an office and field inspection of the property to ensure that there are no structural or legal problems.